In GATE 2019, this is problem number 18. The open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is given by Gs equals to pi e to the power minus 0.25 s by s. In Gs plane, the Nyquist plot of Gs passes through the negative real axis at a point option A minus 1.5 comma z0, option B minus 0.5 comma j0, option C minus 0.75 comma z0, and option D minus 1.25 comma j0. We have the transfer function g equals to pi e to the power minus 0.25 s divided by s, right? Now we need to find the angle, right? Now say this transfer function Ts equals to e to the power minus st. Okay, now we have to write the s as j omega, and that is equals to e to the power minus j omega t, right? And if we want to find the angle, this will be omega t into 180 degree divided by pi. So from this result we can calculate g, say j omega equals to pi e to the power minus 0.25 j omega divided by j omega. Okay, now if I want to calculate the angle of j omega, this will be, for this j, this will be minus 90, and for the numerator part this will be minus, okay, minus using this this solution we get 0.25 j, means omega into 180 degree divided by pi. Okay, now it passes through negative real axis. So on negative real axis means if I see this will be 90 degree. Okay, now negative real axis means it will be, means this is minus 90 degree and this is minus 180 degree. Then we will find the negative real axis. So this will be minus 180 degree, right? So this is the condition, minus 180 degree. Then if I solve this, we will get omega equals to twice pi. Now we need to put the value of omega in this equation. If this will be j twice pi, it will be equals to, if I want to take the magnitude, this will be pi e to the power minus 0.25 into twice pi j e to the power minus j 0.25 into twice pi divided by j into twice pi. If want to take the magnitude, this will be 0.5. Okay, so this is the magnitude, and so then the transfunction GS passes through negative real axis, means this will be 0 minus 0.5 and J0, right? This will be the answer. The correct option is option B.